Google Trends chart for OpenClaw. And as you can see, Jason, peaked sometime in the middle of March and has been in pretty rapid decline ever since. I've been keeping tabs on this trend as well, tracking both the decline in token usage by OpenClaw on different services and tracking the rise of Hermes agent in several services. So I'm kind of curious if you think that OpenClaw was exciting and directionally correct, but too early to sustain its hype. And if so, what does that mean for OpenClaw in the next couple quarters?
Yeah, I think the acquisition by OpenAI took the wind out of the sails where there was this enthusiasm with Peter, and this was going to be like the revolution, and then the Empire bought it. So it'd be like, okay, yeah, now Luke Skywalker works for the Emperor. Like, okay, it's kind of hard, I think, for folks to look at all the competition coming out, whether it's Perplexity Computer, Claude Cowork getting better, or just people writing their own. And I can tell you internally for us, what happened was our top two people who are working on OpenClaw instances, I had to kind of redeploy them because they wanted to make software. They wanted to basically vibe code solutions for a number of internal projects we have. And so I was like, okay, go do that. And then we'll go circle back around to agents when we get to it. And then other people in the organization got a little excited about Perplexity Computer and Cowork, and they're working on that, which has a better interface. So yes, the wind, I think, has come out of the sails a bit for OpenClaw. That doesn't mean it's over. I just think people are promiscuous when it comes to tools. And when 5 tools drop in 90 days, I think everybody has to go check them out. And then there'll be a bake-off as to which one is the most supported and which one do you trust the most.
Yeah, to me, well, one, yes to all of that, but also I think that OpenClaw was the signal of where we're going, not the final piece of technology that's going to get us there. Like the first airplane was like, we're going to do flight now. It did not invent the F-16, right? The Wright brothers were not there. And so when I think about what we're seeing from Cowork, from personal agents coming from both Google and Meta, from set up deployments of Claw from Chinese AI companies, it's clear that everyone wants to crack the personal computer use agent. No one's there yet, but at least OpenClaw showed us that there are these regular moments of magic amidst the API fails and other crashes you have that really show us where we're going. So I think OpenClaw won, even if it's not currently seeing the same explosive growth that it saw, because it showed that this is what people
It may still
want.
have growth. I mean, what we looked at there was just Google Trends and people searching for it. Doesn't mean that the people using it aren't using it 10 times more. It just means people aren't searching for it.
Adding a new member to your team is a crucial decision, and you don't want to rush into a hiring situation that you will regret. But if you're a busy founder, you also don't want to spend a ton of time in the trenches looking for that perfect candidate. Instead, you need a partner, and you need a trusted partner, and LinkedIn Hiring Pro is that partner. How do I know this? Because I use LinkedIn Hiring Pro. You want a real-world testimony? All right, here you go. We recently hired a new customer success manager. They handle all the advertising accounts here on This Week in Startups. And they ensure that we're keeping all of our wonderful partners happy. LinkedIn helped us connect with an amazing candidate right here in Austin, and he had exactly the combination of experience we were looking for. It's magic, it's alchemy, it's everything for me to find a great team member. So, hire right the first time. Get started by posting your job for free at linkedin.com/twist. Terms and conditions apply. That's linkedin.com/twist.